Hey guys, Zach Barlow here at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota, coming at you with another video on another ice house. This one's going to be the 2024 Grey Wolf 21CH. As you can see, one of the very first things is this giant awning right here in the front. This is a powered awning. Nice blue LED light strip right below that. Some fireside windows here. Jump to the front, you get two 30-pound propane tanks. Those are filled upon us. Safety strobe, you can use this for just letting anybody know where you're at if you have buddies coming out, or you can use it for a safety feature so no one's running into you in the middle of the night. Right above those propane tanks, we do have a GFI outlet. As we get to the front here, here's the hitch along with the, this is a GS frame. They are manufactured here up in the north. Nice spot for all your pins here, so you ain't losing those. Jump over to the side. You got your hot water heater down here, along with your fresh water connection and your city water connection. Something I mentioned in all my videos here, each corner of this unit does have downspouts. If you're using this for camping in the springtime, summertime, or if you're using it in the winter, anytime any water will be running off that roof, it's going to disperse it to each one of those corners, so it's not just pouring off the side here. Nice big blue LED light strip. Got your 30 amp service connection right there. Double axle, going to make for very smooth travel. Access to plumbing. This is going to be under the bathroom on the inside of the unit here. Another nice feature is this is galvanized, it's going to be all the way across around the bottom. Stop it from any rocks or ice popping up and doing damage to your camper. Get to the back here. Notice right off the bat, nice big window in the back, along with an already installed backup cam. Jump around the side here. Another nice window there. Big windows here in the front, along with your two outside speakers with blue LEDs in them. Show a good size of this. It's going to have nice black rims on them. And another thing, it's going to have those air valve here where if it gets loosened up a little bit, it's going to let you know that it's ready. There it is, let you know that your tire is getting low. Each of these windows in this unit are double pane windows, and I also believe every single unit, or sorry, not unit, every single window in this unit is going to be an exit window. Take a nice step up into here. First thing we're going to notice right off the bat, nice big bed. That does go up and down with a powered button. Right behind that is going to be your TV mount back there, along with a nice fireplace, a little bit of storage. Easily get a nice big TV up there. Back up a little bit. Nice big party table. When it's time for bed, or if you want to leave it down in general, we do have a jackknife sofa here, and a nice little bedside here if someone's looking to crash. Pan over here a little bit more. Nice big refrigerator. Disconnect there is going to be on the inside. Stops you from having to go outside to disconnect the battery if need be. As we get to the kitchen here, nice microwave up top. You got your light and your fan fixture right above the stove here, with a 3-burner stove, blue LED on all your knobs. Nice little pizza oven if that's what you want to use it for. Plenty of counter space in this unit here, with the sink. Guys, I really do like the cover for the sink here. If you're not using the sink, you have plenty more storage or counter space, whatever you might want to use it for. Plenty of storage up top. There's one of those emergency windows I was talking about. I believe, let's take a look here. That one's exit. That exit there. These little flaps come down, which are exit windows as well. That's going to be on both sides here. I'll pan over and show you in a second. There's that side. Oh, we do have a little bottle opener right here too. As we get to the back of the camper a little bit more, or ice house I should say, you can use it for a camper or an ice house. We do have an AC in this unit, so you could use it during the spring and summertime. That would be that's what I would do with it. Let's get back here. There's your furnace control there. Nice big bathroom, nice big shower with a vent above. Back here you do have a couple ice holes with your spare tire there and your plug-in for your amp service. Little spot to sit if you're looking to fish there. Nice little spot to sit if you're looking to fish there. More exit windows like I was mentioning. And we do have a bunk up top here. Back up a little bit. Nice little storage closet. Use it for your rods, use it for your tackle. Or a nice pantry area if you're going to be using this for camping in the spring and summertime. Plenty more storage here. You got phone charger plugins here along with another GFI. Overhead cabinet storage. Nice big addition to the kitchen here. You could put in crock pots, you could put in whatever, you know, whatever really works for you guys. More storage down below. There's another one of those emergency exits. Now let's get to one of the more important parts here. Fish holes. Just about a light under every single one of these fish holes in here. You do have 8 of them. Again guys, this is the 2024 Grey Wolf 21CH. If you guys want some more information on that, or just want to talk about it, just to get some information, or if you're interested and you want to stop by, give me a call at 218-740-4997. Thanks again guys.